Hello and welcome YouTubers. I'm gonna show you how to unbox a PS3, you know. So, first of all, this is the CD. Yes. It's called Ridge Racer. There you go. Gonna open this. It's actually, guys, a authentic copy. All this fucking Chinese, Japanese characters. Yeah. So I'm gonna get the fucking CD. There you go. Yeah. Now we go to the PS3 box. Okay, here, right here. It's actually quite heavy, you know. Well, it's 120 gigabytes of gaming power. I'm gonna see what's inside of this shit. Of course, you have the PS3 manual. You can see it's fucking Japanese, so know that this is not modded. So this is the PS3 Dual Shock 3 controller. So there you go. Okay. So it's that controller. Then we go to the AV cable. Okay. This PS3 is actually not modded, guys. So I'm gonna find out how to jailbreak this few seconds. So this is the another CD. Two CDs actually. Here's a Blu-ray disc of Casino Royale and Ben Stiller's Night at the Museum, some sort. See? It's actually a free two copies, okay? So, go to the unit. Hold on, guys. It's actually fucking heavy. Hard to. Yeah, there we go. Actually, there. Fuck. Yeah. There. This is the PS3 Slim. Gonna fucking take off this cover. There we go. Actually, this is not a modded PS3. Here we go. So it's actually dark. If I can zoom this, you can see that it's from Sony. Yeah. As we all know. There we go. The Ethernet cable, digital out, optical, and HDMI out. AV multi out for the AV cable, and this is the power supply or the auxiliary input device. Okay, there we go. That's how you unbox a PS3. Peace out.